inverse Laplace transformation. Let's see the basic definition. If L of f of t is equals to capital F of s, then f of t is known as inverse Laplace transformation. It means this f of t you have to find out. This capital F of s will be given to you and you have to find out the f of t. Basically, what is f of t? F of t is equals to L inverse of f of s. This L inverse is known as inverse Laplace transform operator. Okay, this is just the basic thing. So today we are going to do questions itself. Now you tell me, you have a function 1 by s cube. What will be its inverse Laplace transformation? See, since you have 1 by s cube, you have to think of that function which will give x cube in the denominator. What will be that function?
T square.
T square. But Laplace transformation of t square is not only 1 by s cube. One more thing will
Yes,
come in
ma'am.
the numerator. What is that?
2
2
What
by
is that
s
number
cube.
which will 2 by s cube? Since we do not have 2, so what we will do? We will multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So by looking into the function, you can make out like it will be the inverse of which function. I'll show you how it goes. We have to find the Laplace inverse of 1 by s cube. Okay, since 1 by s cube is the if denominator we have s cube, it will be the Laplace transformation of t square. In order to make it as t square, what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 2 factorial. Always remember one thing, you can play with numbers but do not play with s. If you try to multiply and divide with s and all, that will not work. Numbers you can multiply and divide, numbers you can take common, you can do anything with numbers if you have inverse Laplace transform, but do not touch s because s is a variable, you cannot touch s. Numbers you can multiply, divide, add, subtract, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so 1 by 2 factorial, L inverse 2 factorial by s cube. Now this is the Laplace transformation of what? This will be the Laplace transformation of
T square.
t square. So the final answer is t square by 2 factorial or t square by 2. Okay. See, inverse Laplace is very simple if you remember the formula. If you don't remember the formula, then it might look difficult for you. So everyone understood problem number 1. Anyone who have any doubt with the first problem? Others, please tell me. Yes or no?
Mom, can I explain once again?
Okay. See, since we have to find out the inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s cube, so first you have to think of a function which gives s cube in the denominator. See, basically you have t function, exponential function, sine cos function, or sine cos hyperbolic function. In every other function, denominator at least 2 terms will come, but only for t function, s cube will come. Okay, so but this is not the exact formula. If we'll put 2 factorial in the numerator, then only it will become the formula for t square. So what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 2 factorial. So now 2 factorial by s cube, this is the Laplace transformation of t square. So here we'll get the t square and the final answer is t square by 2. Understood, Lavanya? You have to remember the formula, means you actually you have to go back. Lavanya, I can't hear you. Maybe some internet issue. We'll move to the next one. Okay. So the final answer is t square by 2. Second question is 2 divided by s plus 3. Okay, so this will be the inverse Laplace transformation of what? First you see the power of s. What is the power of s? Power of s is
1.
1. E to the
power
power
of
minus
if power of s is 1, it means 1 by s. 1 by s is the linear transformation of what?
e to
1.
the power
T. Sorry, 1.
1. T means 1 by s square. So 1 by s is the linear transformation of 1. Now we will do something with the rest of the numbers. So let's see, we have to find Laplace inverse of 2 by s plus 3. So what do? We'll take 2 common. 2 is outside, so 1 by s plus 3. We will get s plus some number only if we have exponential function along with t. So which exponential function should be written here?
E to the
We
power
have
of minus
e to the
3t.
power minus e to the 3t. Power minus
very
3.
good, very good. So 2 into e to the power minus 3, since 1 by s is the linear transformation of 1, so into 1. So your final answer will be 2 into e to the power minus 3t. Okay, so inverse Laplace will go on the basis of whatever you have learned previously. If you haven't learned anything, then it might look difficult for you. Okay, so all of you understood second one. Shall we move to the third one? If I'll go fast, please let me know, because you people are not responding, no? So I don't know whether you are understanding or not. Shall we move to the next slide? Okay, we'll move. Now here we have 5s divided
Yes,
by
ma'am.
s. Good. So now problem number 3. 5s divided by s square plus 9. Okay. First, always look at the denominator, then look at the numerator. See, you have s square plus 9. It means which function you
Sine or
can use?
cos.
Yeah, you can use either sine or cos. Okay. And numerator you have s.
So cos.
If
Cos
so, only
function.
cos you can use. You cannot use sine because s is there, no? And just remember, don't play with s. Don't try take s common, or don't multiply or divide with s. Do not do anything with this. Numbers you can change or you can do whatever, but s, keep it as it is. Okay, so what we will do is we will take 5 common. Laplace inverse of s divided by s square plus 9. Now s divided by s square plus 9 is the formula for
Cos 3t.
cos 3t. This 5 cos 3t. Okay, all of you understood? Anyone, any doubt?
No, no.
Good. Now the fourth one, 1 divided by 3s square plus 16. How will you find the inverse Laplace transform of this function? See, we have 3s square. In all of our Laplace transformation, coefficient of s square is 1. So make sure your coefficient of s square is 1. For that, you will take 3 common from the denominator. Okay, so you will get Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 16 by 3. Now, denominator you have s square plus 16 by 3. So it can be the inverse of either sine or cos. Now you look at the numerator. Numerator we have number. So it will be the Laplace inverse of what?
Sine.
Sine.
Sine. But for the sine, what number should be written here? Because this is a square, s square plus a square. What is the value of your a here?
4 by root 3.
4 by root 3. 16 by 3 is the square of 4 by root 3. So what you will do? What you will do then?
Sine 4 by root 3.
In order to make numerator as 4 by root 3, what will you do?
Root 3 by 4. Both get cancelled.
We will multiply and divide by 4 by root 3. Okay, see 16 by 3 I have written as 4 by root 3 square. Since numerator we have numbers, so we can put any number and we can make it as a formula for sine. So what we have done, we have multiply and divide by 4 by root 3. Okay, because in the formula of sine we will be having a divided by s square plus a square. My a value is 4 by root 3. So numerator 4 by root 3, and here we have divided with 4 by root 3. Now this will be the formula for what? Sine of,
Sine
4 by
4
root
by
3
root
t.
So 4 by root 3t.
good. So this will be the formula for sine 4 by root 3t, and coefficient will be what is 3 into 4 by root 3?
4 root 3.
Good. So this is, you can put this root 3 on the top, and root 3 and 3 will get cancelled, which will give you root 3 value. So 1 by 4 root 3, Laplace inverse of 4 by root 3 divided by s square plus 4 by root 3 whole square. Now 1 by 4 root 3 as it is, and your final answer is sine 4 by root 3. All of you understood? Hmm? Anyone who have any doubt?